The MetaGrip is easy to keep clean. You simply remove the MetaGrip, and you can either wash it by hand in hot soapy water, or if you'll close the straps, you can place the MetaGrip in a mesh laundry bag and place this mesh bag in the washing machine. You'd like to wash it on a gentle cycle, delicate, with temperature no greater than 104 degrees. You do not want to then put this in the clothes dryer, nor do you want to use chlorine bleach. You also do not want to put the MetaGrip in the dishwasher because those temperatures tend to be a little bit high. Be sure that when you put it in the mesh bag that you do close the straps because that will protect the straps. Now, straps are normally not as durable as the high temperature thermoplastic. In order to increase the durability of the straps, we recommend a number of things. Number one, be sure that you clean out the hook portion of the strap. And one of the best ways to do that is to take a very fine hairbrush or another piece of hook closure, and be sure that any lint or debris is out of the hook portion. Additionally, when you're applying the MetaGrip, do not pull the straps extremely tightly. When you do, you'll stretch them, and that will cause them to then elongate more readily. Additionally, you don't want to open and close this excessively. Really, you should be able to put the MetaGrip on in the morning, wear it the majority of the day, removing it perhaps only occasionally for a complete hand washing.